let's see how to do number 7 in homework 6.6. So for this one, it says n equal to 14, p equal to 0.5, and using the normal distribution to approximate the binomial distribution. Okay, first you need to check what is NP and what is NQ. So in this case, n equal to 14, 14, p is 0.5, q, which is a failure rate, also 0.5. So NP is 14 times 0.5, which is 7. And you know that it's bigger or equal to, it's bigger than 5. So you need to check whether NP and NQ are bigger or equal to 5. Also NQ is the same. You can do the very similar thing. And it will also be 7, which is bigger or equal to 5. So that means it's good. You can use normal approximation. Then what be the normal distribution it follows? So x will follow, x is approximately normal with mu equal to n times p, and the standard deviation will be the square root of n times p times q. Okay, you can check the table for this part. And so here n times p will be, let's leave it here. Okay, we can later on plug in the numbers. And then we have the distribution ready. We can really see what they are asking. So the first part, so you have to choose A, okay? And ask what is the probability of getting fewer than 6? So as we talked about that in class, for this approximation, you have to really look at the what they are asking, and it will have a 0.5, x minus 0.5 to x plus 0.5 that are change for this number. So this one is asking what is the probability of fewer than 6? So you should really say what is the probability of x smaller than 5.5, okay? Because for that 6 bar, it is from 5.5 to 6.5, okay? If you still remember, there's a table saying bigger than 235, smaller than 235, how to really calculate using the normal approximation. Okay, so this question becomes, what is the probability of x smaller than 5.5 when x follows this normal distribution? Okay, then let's find that in StatCrunch. Let's see where it is. Okay, so first what you need is to calculate the NP and n times p times q. So I believe we have NP equal to 7. Square root of n times p times q, I think I can do that using this one. SQRT, n is 14, times 0.5, which is p, times again 0.5, which is q. Okay, so this 1.871 will be your standard deviation, okay, for your normal. Then you have your distribution ready. You also know you need the probability for x smaller than 5.5. So what you do, you can go to the stat calculator's normal to get the normal probability. Okay, so for this one, you have the mean to be 7, standard deviation to be 1.871, and you needed the probability of less than 5.5. Okay, and you compute. This should be the answer for your question. 0.2114. How many decimal places they need? 4 decimal places. So that will be 2114 point. Okay, let's say 0.2114. Yes, I think this answers that question.